Thank you for joining us tonight. We have new developments in the death of a Lake Mills fire captain.
Today, records confirm the suspect in the case, 28-year-old Samuel Kramers, had a blood alcohol level below the legal limit at the time of that crash. Our Keely Arthur joins us now to explain. Keely?
28-year-old Samuel Kramers is facing a tentative charge of homicide by drunk driving, but his lawyer says his client blew below the legal limit of .08 during an on-scene breathalyzer test. A surprising development in the death of Lake Mills fire captain Chris Truman.
Certainly a tragedy, and the question is going to be whether or not this is criminal or not.
Samuel Kramers appears in person with
Samuel Kramers made his first appearance in court Thursday on a tentative charge of homicide by intoxicated use of a vehicle. Today, his lawyer telling us off camera his client blew below the legal limit of .08 at .079. Legal expert and former assistant district attorney Tim Verhoff says this complicates things.
I don't think this is the easiest case in the world for the prosecution.
Kramers hit and killed fire captain Chris Truman, who had exited his vehicle to help a stranded driver. While technically below the legal limit at the time of the breathalyzer test, Dane County prosecutors could still prove Kramers was under the influence.
If my alcohol concentration is an 0.78, we'll say. It's close to 0.8, but not an 0.8. But I can't complete the field sobriety test because I am too impaired. They couldn't charge me, and they can get a conviction on an impairment charge.
A blood test, which is at the state crime lab and should be back in a few weeks, will provide more information, as will reconstruction of the accident, which took place on a snowy night on the Beltline. All factors Verhoff says to consider in this case.
The prosecution always gets to decide whether they're going to issue the charge, and then they have to prove it.
And the Dane County District Attorney's Office has not formally charged Kramers. Kramers' lawyer Sean O'Connell says this could very well have been just a bad roads accident, considering the snowy weather that night.
Keely Arthur reporting tonight. Keely, thank you.